So, this one is made in China. And this one, I don't think it's on here, but I believe this one's made. And so, both of these, this one's made in China, and I think this one's made in China. So, I believe both of these could probably be in a building in China, although I did look it up in a video before, but I didn't see both of these in a building, which I don't even know if both of these are in a building, but they probably could. Or maybe this one is not in a building, and maybe this one's not either. I don't know. But, yeah.